This here is some old film. I know it's hard to see, but this is actually an old celluloid film roll. And as you can see, there is still film in it. You can see, I don't know what the name of it is, but it's, I think, number 780. Let me go like this, because it'll be upside down. So it'll come upside down right here, but I'm just wanting to see what this is. Reptiles and colors. So it must be a film about reptiles, and there's 2 to 3 other cases. There, work of the blood. I don't know what that is. So these are all sound film, mineral. Oh, these are old education films, back when the schools had film projectors. That's exactly what these are. These are all old films that would have been played in a classroom. That's exactly what these are. This would have been about rocks and minerals. Let's see, what's the other one about? What's the other one? This would have been for biology with cells. Probably mitosis and osmosis, because it says osmosis there and color. So these would have been Technicolor. This would have been about blood work. That would have probably been in medical. And this would have been in science, earth science, with reptiles. That's incredible that they still have these films. That's incredible. And now over here we have an old Underwood typewriter. Surprisingly, still works. Oh. Let's see, tab. There we go, that's out of the way. Look at this. When I first got here just a few seconds earlier, the keys were jammed, so I actually came in and unjammed them. So now, they all work. I'm surprised at this phone's quality. That is the original ink ribbon, if I'm not mistaken. And these things are starting to make a comeback, so that's surprising. Unfortunately, the tab does not work. It's jammed, so this is to help bring the paper up. Well, it jams up now. Okay. Probably gonna get a copyright strike from all this copyrighted music, so tab set. Now normally, if you do this, it would have come all the way back over, but unfortunately it's kind of jammed at the moment. I know I did something here and it actually unseized it. And I don't want to touch anything else because I'm worried it'll get knocked over. Hold on one second, y'all. Yeah, the thing's jammed, but it worked. Oh, never mind. There it goes. Yeah.